I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota CHR vs Honda Civic, which is better. Please subscribe to follow along for the full walkthrough. I will walk through styling, fuel economy, interior space, safety features, and driving feel in a friendly, practical way. Expect clear comparisons and honest pros and cons so you can pick the right compact car for your needs. Stick with me, and we will simplify the choice together. I'll explore how each car feels when you slide in and drive. We'll compare seat comfort, cabin materials, visibility, and passenger room in practical terms. I describe real-world impressions rather than glossy specs, noting who benefits from each layout and why. By the end, you'll know which cabin suits commuting, family trips, or solo driving, helping make an informed choice without jargon. If you're enjoying the comparison, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I used leak-proof meal prep containers during long test days, and they made lunches stress-free and tidy, a fun little tip for busy drivers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them too. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. Next, I compare driving dynamics and fuel efficiency with straightforward examples. I'll describe acceleration, handling, braking feel, and expected MPG in mixed driving. You'll hear which model is better for highway cruising or urban stop and go, and how trade-offs affect ownership costs. I'll also touch on available powertrain options and what to expect from daily driving so you can match performance to your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.